Bitcoin futures have been a little disappointing this week. I really expected the market would make a more serious attempt to break out after a shakeout, a test for supply, a little bit of testing in there, and then a push higher. The market made the weakest of all weak attempts to move higher here, and instead prices pushed lower. Now, it may just be a timing thing. I'm getting a little impatient. The market shouldn't take this long to resolve its issues and either break down or move higher in response. But sideways is what it is at the moment. Now, volume was increased this week. It was pretty high. But in response, the market didn't move that much lower, and it closed within this bar's range. So there is some buying support still present. But if there is selling pressure in the market, price is rarely going to move sustainably higher when there's sellers present. So you may find this market is forced to test for supply again next week, or at least early next week. So that's going to mean a pullback and recovery to challenge any sellers in the market. Now, if there's sellers found present and they're difficult to absorb, there may be an even deeper pullback in response. But what will generally happen, at least early in the week, the market will drift a little lower, which will put the pressure on anyone who's thinking of selling, and the market then will get the chance to absorb or remove those sellers. And if that's successful, price will just pop up pretty quickly and close probably adjacent to the previous bar's close, back about this level. Now, if that happens in the first couple of days and selling pressure is found to be relatively low down here, there may be an attempt to move higher in response. But if selling pressure is ongoing, you may find there's a deeper pullback like this or this or this. So just wait and see what happens early in the week. With this much supply in the market, the big volume this week, it's really difficult to see the market make a serious attempt to move higher when there's supply present. Much more likely it'll test for supply early or over the weekend, and then attempt to push higher if it can be seen that selling pressure has reduced.